All right. So I did take a trade today. I hit for 140 points, 17 points of risk. I don't remember the exact numbers, maybe like 14. Yeah, it was 10 RR, so 140 points, 14 points risk. Um, I'm gonna go over it real quick. Um, Today was kind of free to be honest. So like coming into 10 a.m., what is my main bias? Um, if we look at the 4-hour chart, what do I see? I see this fair value gap, 4-hour fair value gap with EL right above it. If we zoom in on the hourly, we see this market maker model, consolidation, reaccumulation, boom, we can go up again after this if we get a smart money reversal. Second thing I see is there's this SMT here. Um, 4-hour candle closed bearish with like no reversal signature. So for me, I was kind of leaning a bit bearish at the start. Um, and we did take out the 4-hour low, previous 4-hour low, and then we formed SMT here, SMT here. So I thought, all right, longs are the play now. Like there's no way longs can fail. I know that this 3-minute rejection block was kind of valid, but I would prefer not to take that. I thought, all right, the distribution is probably the play today. Um, After we close above, I kind of missed this part, but I could have limited the 10 a.m. But it just seemed risky. Like if I was to take this, it was probably gonna be on evals. But I just like actually missed it. Um, and then what happened after that is I set the limit at 10 a.m. originally. And while price was coming down there, like this was a good entry, bro. I'm gonna be honest, like I don't really like getting edged on entry, so if we react off of 10 a.m., I would enter in this rejection block. Um and while price was trading, it was inside of the rejection block, I think the next candle. Yeah. And like when we were like right here, I accidentally moved my limit into the price, like on trade of it, and I instantly got filled. And I'm like, all right, like might as well see where this is goes because like this trade is actually really good. I really liked it. Um, but I didn't have the balls to actually execute it on uh, my PA account just because of the fact that we were in such premium, bro. Maybe this range, but like at the same time, like I don't know. The only thing that I really liked is that like this we're also tapping into 5 minute um fair value gap. So it's not like that 1 minute rejection block is a 5 minute fair value gap. And then yeah, we consolidated here for a bit. And at this point I'm like so convicted in longs. I just know that we're gonna rip up there. Um and we get this rejection block. Basically a wick theory setup because like we have the engineer liquidity above. So I did take this on MNQ. Um, but the problem with MNQ is that I actually hate it. And I hate it because of the different price data. For example, this low, this is the same copied price data. This is the same low on NQ. It's supposed to be here. Um, so yeah, if we look at NQ, um, we got tagged in, right? Then, oh, M&Q gets stopped, but it's the same price data. Like I use the same numbers. What happens after that? We just displays higher. Um, so yeah, that was the trade of the day. It was closer to like right this. Yeah, 10 RR seems fair. Um, yeah, past the eval. Um, Unfortunate on my PA because like I took this rejection block with the PA account. Um, Only thing is, I'm glad I moved my stop earlier because I hate M&Q. Otherwise, if it was NQ, I would have waited and I would have probably hit take profit. But my mood was just off. I wasn't kind of like fully locked in. I just low-key felt ass to a point where I was not sure whether I wanted to trade on my PA account just to like protect my mental peace because I knew that if I was to trade on my actual funded account, I would have probably crashed out. Um, or it would have impacted my mood way more. So yeah, took this trade, ended up playing out. What do I think will happen tomorrow? Honestly, I don't actually know, but I think this market maker buy model is setting up quite nice. So I will potentially be looking for longs, unless we come down here again, then I'll switch my bias to shorts. Um, that would be like my last invalidation. Then I would be potentially looking to trade down to, oh shit, the new month open. So maybe we get a bigger manipulation lower and then continuation higher. We'll see. But I would like to be bullish now for Friday. So yeah, that's it from me. Um, I'm out.